This is just a quick how to use an SBB ticket machine. First you walk up to the machine and tap it to wake it up. Then you choose the language. After you've chosen the language, you should start typing in where you want to go from and to using the keyboard below. Just be aware some of the names might appear in another language like German. Then you're provided with a selection of the next available trains. You can scroll through those and find the one you're looking for, or if you want one for a later time in the day or a later date, you can choose that up in the top right. Once you've found the right train, you can press select and then choose your ticket options. You can choose one way or return, first or second class, or full or half fare. If you have a half fare card, you can choose the half fare. You can also choose the number of tickets you're buying. And you can also add on bikes and dogs and children and so forth with this button. There are also extra options like a city ticket, which allows you to take public transport in your destination or your place of departure to connect to the train station. Once all your options are selected, you can click Buy Now and it'll display your ticket on the screen with all your options. And then once you're ready, you can go over to the right and pay. There's a few options. There's cash or there's card, and you can tap your card on the tap symbol or you can insert it into the slot below, and then your ticket will come out on the bottom in the flap further down.